We have always felt anytime we can install something at the factory, that is the best way to do it. It's integrated, it's done right, and certainly it's covered under warranty. But next to factory installation, we feel that if we can pull it into the dealership, do an installation in a clean environment with trained technicians that know what they're tapping into, whether it be electronic or otherwise, you get a much better product, and a product that will not only serve you better, but it'll last longer. So I'm a huge believer, and I understand I'm biased, but I'm a huge believer in being able to do that in an environment where you're very familiar with all the componentry. I have been extremely impressed with Xantrex, both the product and the people. And I think it starts there, is with the people. Can you trust the people that you're working with? And that is critical for us, because if we don't have that support from our suppliers, we can't support our customer and we lose all credibility. So that's first and foremost with us, is the people. And secondly is the product sound? Is it stable? And is it sustainable? And we have found that with Xantrex. So we love the partnership and we want to grow it.
This is the first time that FIDA has partnered with a company such as Xantrex to join forces together at a level to educate the industry on the importance of a product, that truck drivers need for their comfort.